Hey, what's up? This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Quick video here for you to answer a question that I get a lot here on YouTube. Let's just break down and go down the statute of limitations by state, state by state. This is going to be a quick one. We got Alabama, which is 6 years, 3 years for open. Open means credit card type contract, credit card type accounts. Alaska, 6 years and 6 years. Arizona, 3 and 3. Arkansas, 3 and 3. California, 2 and 4. The first one is written contracts like your auto loans or stuff like that. They have only 2 years to collect on it if they don't get a judgment against you in California. Colorado, 6 and 6. Connecticut, 3 and 6. Delaware, 3 and 3. Florida, 4 and 4. Georgia, 4 and 4. That was Georgia, 4 and 4. Hawaii, 6 and 6 again. The the first number 6, second number 6. First number is written contracts. Second number is open type accounts like credit cards. Hawaii, 6 and 6. Idaho, 4 and 4. Illinois, 5 and 5. Indiana, 6 and 6. Iowa, 5 and 5. Kansas, 3 and 3. Kentucky, 5 and 5. Louisiana, 10 and 3. That's right. Louisiana has a 10-year statute of limitation on any written contract. Maine, 6 and 6. Maryland, 3 and 3. Massachusetts, 6 and 6. Michigan, 6 and 6. Minnesota, 6 and 6. Mississippi, 3 and 3. Missouri, 5 and 5. Montana, 5 and 5. Nebraska, 4 and 4. Nevada, 4 and 4. New Hampshire, 3 and 3. New Jersey, 6 and 6. New Mexico, 4 and 4. Just to review, the first number is written contracts. Second number is open end contracts like credit cards where you can charge and pay down and you can recharge again. Closed end written contracts like your automobile loan or some other type of loan that you got that when you pay, you're just paying it down. You can't recharge. I think I stopped at New Hampshire. I'll just go back over. New Hampshire, 3 and 3. New Jersey, 6 and 6. New Mexico, 4 and 4. New York, 6 and 6. North Carolina, 3 and 3. North Dakota, 3 and 3. Ohio, 6 and 6. Oklahoma, 3 and 3. Oregon, 6 and 6. Pennsylvania, 4 and 6. That's odd. I rarely see where the open accounts like credit cards have more of a longer statute of limitation. Rhode Island, 15 and 10. So for written contracts, 15 years if you live in Rhode Island, 10 years for if you live in Rhode Island for credit card type open accounts. South Carolina, 10 and 3 years for open, 10 years for a written contract. South Dakota, 6 and 6. Tennessee, 6 and 6. Texas, 4 and 4. Also, something special about Texas that you cannot be garnished of your paycheck. Utah, 4 and 4. Vermont, 6 and 6. Virginia, 3 and 3. Washington, 3 and 3. West Virginia, 5 and 5. Wisconsin, 6 and 6. Wyoming, 8 and 8. So if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your reports and scores, remember everything starts there. To the website, the link is right here. Your3scores.com. Grab that, look at it, review it, study it, put together a game plan, get the job done. If you have debt collectors coming after you, you can use any of my 3 letters. The first one, cease and desist all collection activities. That link is below here. Statute of limitations letter. That link is below here. And the debt validation letter. That link is below here. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you.